Good morning, everybody. Chris Bradley with your Weather Geek report here on this Thursday. It looks like another outbreak of severe weather today. Focus again back across the Midwest. We're talking Kansas in particular, where we actually have a fairly high risk of severe storms, including tornadoes. A lot of tornadoes reported yesterday and the night before. In fact, some pretty significant tornadoes. So just a real critical situation out there. As we take a look at some of the severe weather parameters, this is the Cape. It shows very high instability right back here from Missouri, parts of Illinois, through Kansas into Oklahoma. In fact, you can see where this correlates. Very high, getting upwards of 4,200 to 4,500 joules per kilogram, which means the atmosphere is juicy and primed for severe weather. Now, this is what we use when we're talking about tornado outbreaks. This is the significant tornado parameter. And again, it's high. Anytime it's over even a 3, there's the risk of a fairly large tornado. You get back here across parts of Kansas, and we're looking at the purple here, and that's an indicator that we could be somewhere between 5 and maybe 7, which is extremely high. So significant tornadoes are possible out across Kansas here today. All right, here is your severe weather outlook for today, and we actually have an enhanced risk of severe weather across parts of Nebraska, Kansas, and Oklahoma. As we look ahead to tomorrow, notice scales back mainly down across Texas and Oklahoma. Notice there is that general thunderstorm risk here, but all of the severe weather remaining right in this area here, not in Ohio. So it stays to our west. Now, let's get in and talk about what could happen here today. It looks like a 20% chance of a shower this afternoon. That's it. So you have plans? I think it ends up being a pretty decent day. For tomorrow, Friday, about the same thing, 20, maybe 30% chance of a shower. It is going to start to warm up. High temperatures climbing into the 80s statewide. Here's a look at Friday's high temperatures. In fact, some spots could sneak up into the upper 80s. Kind of interesting here, but the model's showing you get up here across parts of northeast Ohio. Basically, the eastern quadrant could be the warmest. A little more sunshine there, a little drier air. As we get into our day on Saturday, again, very warm across pretty much the entire state, everybody in the 80s. And same thing as we head into Sunday on the upcoming Memorial Holiday weekend. All right, I'll be keeping an eye on the tornadoes out in Kansas and our chances for rain. Look for another Weather Geek report at 4 p.m. Weather Geek Live comes your way at 10 p.m. on Facebook, and I'm on 10 TV News at 5, 5:30, 6, and 11. We'll look for you there.